there, this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a tiny tip to help you get more things done. If you are a member of a busy household, maybe you have multiple generations running around and you're trying to coordinate a lot of schedules and a lot of logistics, I strongly suggest you hold a weekly family meeting. This is not a 4-hour affair. It can be 10 or 15 minutes, but each family member who is old enough comes to the meeting, and if they have one, they bring their calendar. At this meeting, you look at the week ahead and you say who has to be where, when, and you discuss who's driving whom, who's picking up whom, who needs the car, all these logistical details. Just scope it out for the week ahead. Sunday night is a beautiful time to have this meeting, but it can also be Saturday morning or even Friday night to look at the week ahead. Keep the meeting short, not contentious. This is not the time to get into family politics or issues where there are strong differences of opinion. This is a logistical planning meeting that's short and sweet, and by having this meeting, you will avoid unexpected conflicts. Hold a family meeting that's fun and that everybody can share in, and the week will run much more smoothly. Here's to a great week.